What's the meaning of ASBO? ASBO. ASBO.
ASBO. ASBO. ASBO stands for Antisocial Behaviour Order, a legal measure used in the UK to restrict the behaviour of individuals who engage in activities that are deemed harmful or disruptive to society. ASBOs are granted by courts and can include a wide range of restrictions, such as prohibiting an individual from visiting certain areas or being in the company of certain people. Individuals who breach an ASBO can face imprisonment or other penalties. While controversial, ASBOs have been credited with reducing crime in some areas of the UK.